Hey guys, it's so snowy right now. It's crazy. I'm sick and I had to go outside and it's crazy. There's snow everywhere. It's like up to your knees. Look. Everywhere. And I heard that the reason that no plows are coming or no one's cleaning up, except for the people who live in the brownstones, is because the sanitation department is going on protest, kind of. I don't know, but Mayor Bloomberg changed some things in the sanitation department. So yeah, but my feet are frostbitten. Yeah. So I was in the park and I kind of got claustrophobic and freaked out because there was snow up to my knee and I had to run up a hill and I was dying. I thought I was gonna die and fall and collapse, but I kind of did and whatever. And then I went to my friend's house and slept because it's crazy. So yeah. I think this is the worst snow I've been maneuvering in. You have to be like a ninja to move all around this. It's crazy. Alright, so I'll see you guys later, and bye.